Hello, Samson. This is Sister McKell. I am making a video because it looks like there is an issue with your change essay that you have submitted. And this was an issue that I noticed when you submitted your peer review, your rough draft for the peer review. And I left a comment there, but I'm assuming you didn't see it or didn't read my feedback because the same essay was submitted for the final draft. So I want to go through and explain what's going on and show you where to find my comments, okay? So the first thing, right now we're on this home page, but if you open up the syllabus, okay, right here is the syllabus, and you read this right at the beginning of the class, but if you go down here, down, there we go, under plagiarism, is this important note right here, all right? All essays and assignments for this class need to be originally written for this class. Resubmitting essays that have been previously submitted in other classes is a form of self-plagiarism and is not allowed. The reason they include this statement is because this is a learning environment. This is a place where we can learn about writing and practice writing. And if students simply resubmit papers that they have written in the past, there's no practice taking place. There's no learning. All right, so this is really important. And so if you go over here, I have your grades pulled up right here so I can look for the assignments. And if you see, there's a little orange flag, or it's kind of reddish orange flag right here on your rough draft. Okay, and there's the same one right here on your final draft. And that is a Turnitin score. I'm going to open this up. Where is it? Right there. I'm going to open this up really quickly. And this tells me that 72%, so almost 3/4 of the essay, has been plagiarized or has been turned in for another assignment. And so if you go down here, I had written you a note that although your other, peers cannot open this report, you and I can. And I can see that most of this was turned in for another class, all right? And I mentioned here, I cannot accept this draft. I can't accept it when it's already been turned in for another class. And so I asked you to go ahead and pick another story, another event to write about. And you can read over my comments there. But if you go down here, let me go down to the new one. All right, here is your new assignment that you turned in. And it looks like you had turned in two. But here we go. There is still an issue, and I'm going to open this up so you can see the Turnitin report. Even though you have access to this, let me make it smaller. What they do is they highlight in pink everything on the essay that has been turned in previously. So you can see over half of this was turned in for another class. And if you open it up right here, it tells me exactly where. So it looks like this was turned in for Sister Tracy's class in last October of 22. All right? And so because this was turned in for another class, I cannot accept it for this class. So I'm going to ask you to write a new essay, okay? Write about a new story that you experienced, another event that changed a way of thinking. Okay, and if you can do that quickly this first time, if you can get it to me within the week, this first time I won't even count it as late because I know this is a learning experience, but I need you to resubmit this essay, okay? I cannot accept this one that you've already turned in, all right? Please let me know if you have any questions, Samson, okay? All right, thank you.